Did you know the humble paperclip was born from wartime politics and became a symbol of resistance? In 1899, Norwegian inventor Johan Vaaler faced a serious problem. Germany had banned metal fastener exports to Norway during rising political tensions. Before this, officers used straight pins that damaged documents or messy wax seals that were permanent. Vaaler designed a simple wire loop that could hold papers without damage, but getting a patent proved nearly impossible. Officials claimed anyone could have thought of this obvious design. The real surprise came during World War II. Norwegians began wearing paper clips on their lapels as secret resistance symbols against Nazi occupation. The simple office tool represented Norwegian innovation and unity. Wearing one was a quiet act of defiance that Nazis couldn't easily detect. This everyday invention became both practical necessity and national pride. Even the most mundane objects can carry deep political meaning.